Turning your engine 11J908. Turning good, and on the front engines looks good, as you can see. Excellent altimeter. Altimeter look nice without any damage. Same as well like a starter, no broken. And on this side, everything's good. You don't see any damage. Look as well on the gearbox. Gearbox in good conditions, no broken. On this side, everything nice. Compressor looks good. All windows without water inside. On the top, plastics cover without any damage. All connectors look nice. And on the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turn your engine 11J908.